Hey everybody, this is Daniel and Kelly, and today is December 31st,
Woo!
the end of 2019, which has been a crazy year. We've got a lot of stuff done, but we want to talk to you guys about 2020.
Well, also, Loki has
Loki's
something to say,
grumbling about
apparently.
something, yeah.
That's kind of how I feel about 2019 as well. But guess what we did in 2019? We hit 1 billion views.
Ooh, thanks to you guys.
You guys hit 1 billion views.
You
really.
guys hit 1 billion
That's all down
views.
to the workout completes, honestly.
So yeah, we actually had a combined 1 billion workout completes, and at the same time we actually hit 10 years in business, which is absolutely amazing.
We get back to some charities this year,
Yep.
just so that last month.
Yeah.
And we launched FB Plus this year, which is like a whole new adventure for Fitness Blender. But we want to tell you a little bit about our release schedule for this new year.
Yes. So for those of you who have FB Plus, you'll be getting the first FB Plus workout video.
Yesterday.
Actually, yeah, a few hours ago.
Yeah, so it's live.
It's live. Yay!
Yeah.
It's
50 minutes long. It's a combination of HIIT and lower body strength training. Kind of feels like a little bit like day one of our 5-day challenges.
Wink, wink.
Wink, wink. Yeah, that's a hint. And also on Sunday, our regularly scheduled release time, we're still keeping up with the free content as well. So that's not stopping.
Yes.
Don't worry.
So you only have a few more days to wait
Yes.
for a free workout to roll out. So don't worry about that.
And that will be a 50-minute long Pilates routine targeting the butt and thighs as well. It's really fun. We actually
Which some of you might have already accidentally seen.
Yeah,
'cause
YouTube
pushed it out live
in the middle of the night.
Thank YouTube.
Great. Anyway, also, I'm like checking the list. I'm like, what are we forgetting?
Yeah. And we also have a new program coming for you guys this month. So
Very soon.
Yes. So
The exact release date is not out yet, but you can find that as well as we're still doing community giveaways. So we're still giving away power blocks each month, and workout complete clothing and FB Plus memberships, Fitness Blender workout programs. We really giving away all the things in the community. So check it out.
Oh, which also you should know that mid-February will be the last of the workout complete clothing that we have now. We're going to be switching to something else. So if you want any of the stuff that's in the store now, make sure you get it because it's going to be going away mid-February. So keep that in mind. Is there anything else?
I don't think so.
Other than have an absolutely amazing 2020.
Yeah.
And we'll be right there to help you with your fitness goals.
It's going to be a good one.
It will. All right, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.